जो ये देश का जो गरीब है, बैकवर्ड कम्युनिटी है, माइनॉरिटीज़ है, दलित है और जो रूरल एरियाज में रहने का जो लोग हैं, इन लोगों का इसका बिल्कुल जानकारी नहीं है।
See, I read the entire law. I know the whole law. So there is nothing new in this Sanskrit. Nyaya, Suraksha, Sanhita, Adhiniyam. Except this language, nothing is new. I call this as not just old wine in a new bottle, but old wine in a poisonous bottle. That's the difference. See, 90% of the laws are not new. It's all just picked up from Macaulay and James Stephen. We are trying, we are contacting advocates, we are trying. There are lawyers from Bellary, lawyers from Chikmagalur, lawyers from Mangalore. So lawyers from different walks of life are here. We are just exploring. So our role model is Tamil Nadu. We may follow that. This is unconstitutional and anti-people.
ये एक ड्रैकोनियन लॉ बोल के समझ सकते हैं। ऑल इंडिया लॉयर्स काउंसिल कर्नाटका स्टेट इसका जानिब से एक सेमिनार रखे हैं। जैसा कि 3 नया क्रिमिनल लॉस पास हुआ है लोकसभा और लोकसभा में। जब ये क़ानून पास हुआ था तो इसका बारे में पूरे का पूरा चर्चा नहीं हुई। ऐसा भी है कि बहुत सारा मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट्स को सस्पेंड करके इसको पास किया गया। तो एक अच्छा तरीके से एक डिबेट नहीं हुआ, एक अच्छा एक फ्रूटफुल इसका भी डिस्कशंस भी नहीं हुआ। इमीडिएटली इसको पास कर रहे हैं। तो अभी ये जुलाई का मंथ में इसका ऑलरेडी इट इज़ बीन एग्जीक्यूटेड। अब इसमें क्या है, बहुत सारा कमियां हैं। जैसा कि ये जो कानून जो है ये एक ड्रैकोनियन लॉ बोल के समझ सकते हैं। जो ये देश का जो गरीब है, बैकवर्ड कम्युनिटी है, माइनॉरिटीज़ है, दलित है और जो रूरल एरियाज़ में रहने का जो लोग हैं, इन लोगों का इसका बिल्कुल जानकारी नहीं है। सारा हिंदुस्तान में इसका चर्चा नहीं हुआ होने के बावजूद इसको कानून पास कर रहे हैं। तो इसका बारे में एक नॉलेज देने के लिए ये कैसा हिसाब से इसका इम्प्लीमेंट होगा और क्या तरीके से ये कानून लोगों को तक कैसा ये उनको मुश्किलात में पहुंचाएगी, इसका बारे में डिस्कशन करने के लिए आज एक सेमिनार रखे हैं। बहुत सारा चर्चा हुआ है।
See, I read the entire law. I know the whole law. So there is nothing new in this Sanskrit. Nyaya, Suraksha, Sanhita, Adhiniyam. Except this language, nothing is new. I call this as not just old wine in a new bottle, but old wine in a poisonous bottle. That's the difference. This is unconstitutional and anti-people. For the reason that 90% of Macaulay drafted law, James Stephen drafted Evidence Act as it is picked up in regrouping it, and 10% is fascist law. See, the special laws like Tada, Fota, Mocha, Coca, all draconian laws are clubbed with the new so-called law. So the 10% is the offshoot of draconian laws. That is also drafted by Allens. That is also drafted by United Nations Council at the dictation of America, resolution number 1373 of 2001. Not even one section, not even one sentence is new. Calling this as the Indian style of penal code is absolutely wrong, misleading. They call IPCS Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Yeah, it's a danda, penal code. Where is Nyaya? Then they call BNSS Bharatiya Suraksha Sanhita, Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. Now, what it is securities? It's a procedural law. And what is Sakshya Adhiniyam? It's not Sakshya, it's an evidence act. So these are all interpretation and misinterpretation and misleading the people of India. Now the government of India is denationalizing, selling the country, then they are repealing labor laws, They make laws which are all anti-labor, anti-Dalit, anti-Adivasis, anti-minorities, anti-people. The people's fight, people struggle, they want to combat. Therefore, Section 152, you talk, they will put you behind bars. Section 72 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita says you can't publish. Court proceeding is open, they say you can't publish. Section 111, that is organized crime syndicate, MOCA, COCA Act. Now the Home Ministry wanted to brand everyone as member of organized crime syndicate. Then Section 113, it is nothing but picking up as it is from Section 15 and 16 of UAP Act, and now the power is bestowed on a head constable to brand anyone as the terrorist. So then all other textures, even arrest. So now police can use force, police can handcuff. Then 60 days, 90 days police custody. Nowhere in the world, any democratic government hands over a citizen to police custody for the purpose of investigation. Now this law gives police custody up to 90 days, up to 60 days. Part by part. This is most cruel and degrading. No country in the world have such law. So therefore we oppose this. Then Section 22 of Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, confession statement. Earlier it was bestowed with the magistrate. Then under TADA it was shifted to IPS officer. Now under Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nakrik Suraksha Sanhita, then Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam Section 22, that power is given to the head constable or a sub-inspector or an inspector. Therefore, this law is anti-people, this is inhuman, and this should go. We are trying, we are contacting advocates, we are trying. There are lawyers from Bellary, lawyers from Chikmagalur, lawyers from Mangalore. So lawyers from different walks of life are here. We are just exploring. So our role model is Tamil Nadu. We may follow that.